This cable starts weak, but ends incredibly strong. How?
See the gaps inside this rope? Same steel, totally different strength.
Pressure is the real secret here.
What happens if this jams?
This machine decides the final strength. This is where the transformation begins.
Ready to see where this goes next? Oh. Now the real work is about to start. First, every bit of dirt must go.
Clean steel compresses better. Why risk weakness? This last rinse removes what you can't see.
Cycle status shows green light confirmed.
Data logs match the protocol requirements. We are clear to finalize.
Moisture left inside could ruin everything.
Now we separate what's perfect from what's not. Can you spot it?
Even tiny flaws can weaken the final cable.
Focus on the abrasion here. This is where the tension exceeded the limit.
And the red threads indicate the core failure, correct?
What happens if a flaw slips through? Guide it left. Hold steady. Ready for compression.
Only the best steel moves forward. Ready.
Ready to see real pressure change steel forever?
Notice how the gaps disappear already?
Check section 3 alignment. Looks good here. Tension is steady.
How much stronger do you think it is now? Clear on the left. Engage the rollers now. Engaging. Speed looks good. The compression rate is holding steady right at the tolerance limit. Good.
Keep monitoring the temperature as it finishes the run.
This is where strength is locked in.
Compression stage complete.
Ready for quality testing.
Does it actually meet the strength promise?
Tension is holding steady at 40 kilonewtons. Acknowledged. The elastic deformation is within limits. Tiny differences matter more than you think.
Tension secure on this side.
Acknowledged. Maintaining feed rate.
Guiding cable.
Increasing rotation speed now.
Confirmed. Monitoring tension on this side.
This cable is officially cleared to ship.
Is that tight enough? Yeah, crimp it now.
Looks good for shipping. Bring it up slow, keep it steady.
All right, holding steady.
Looks good, hold it right there. From loose rope to trusted steel.
Tension is verified. Secure for transport.
Where does all this steel strength end up?
All right, bring it left slowly. Watch your clearance on this side. Got it, turn it now. Looks good, all clear to proceed.
Each coil is tracked from start to finish.
Clearance check complete.
Dock 7 secured.
Ready for transport. Ready to hold bridges, cranes, and lives?
All right, bring it back slow, keep coming. Okay, loud and clear, stopping now.
Departure Bay 1, checks complete, requesting clearance.
Clearance granted. Have a safe trip.
Hard to believe this started as loose rope, right?
We should have the next batch ready by tomorrow.
Good, that keeps us on schedule for the week.